are you staring at? At these. Oh, you want one of those? Come on, I will teach you how to make. You need origami paper of your favorite color and back side should be white. Okay, now let's make it. Okay, first take out this side and make an triangle like this. Then we have to make like this. Again a triangle. Then we have to open it and see. Look, we have a standing line. Now we have to do like this. Like this. Now you have to do like this, and can you see this slanting line? Then you have to do like this. Now one more step left. When you have to do like this, an arrow, you have to fold it to this side. Then can you see this little pocket? This little triangle, you have to push it down the pocket. See now, you've got your own ninja claw. This claw is so comfortable. Inside it is very comfortable.